Alright, I'm taking my bike in to have stage 2 upgrade done, and this is the last time I'll have the stock muffler, and figure before I go I'll compare the sound. Alright then, here we go. And before I do, here's the sound meter. Right now it reads 55. Let me rotate, turn towards you. So my motorcycle is back from the dealer after doing 1,000-mile service and stage 2 upgrade. I wasn't really planning on doing stage 2 upgrade at the time, but when I was talking to the dealer, they said they were running a special for that month, which was something like $1,800 for a stage 2 upgrade, all parts involved. So including the 1,000-mile service, everything was $2,252. That seems kind of loud. Alright, let's see what the sound meter says. Looks like 96, something like that. And the muffler they use is a tab or something. Okay, I guess that's that. Hope that was informative. And till next time.